What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we've got a really cool one here from Frizzlife. This is the M800 reverse osmosis mineral system. So it's a water filter system that gives you spring water from your tap. It's completely noiseless, plug-free, and noise-free. It's completely tankless, plug-free, and noise-free. So we're gonna open this up and see what it looks like. All right, so just gonna open these on this side. Now, I'm not sure if I wanna be able to show you this under the sink because it is quite the beast and quite the install. I might do a second video installing it so you can actually see the whole process because I don't think we're gonna have time in an unboxing. But we're gonna go over all of the details of what it comes with and how to get things done. This is the filter replacement guide, the advertisements for other faucet systems, quick installation guide. This is gonna be very useful. I'll set that aside. We've got an installation diagram, which, let's see. So we don't have to worry about the water tank because that is not included and not necessary, but it is an addition if we want to. But it does have, let's see, the drain line, the supply line, and then it just goes into, okay, so that's pretty easy actually. There's 1, 2, 3 plugs. That's actually not bad. It scared me a little bit with all the lines and everything, but there's actually only 3 connections that need to be made, which is really nice to see. I love an easy install. And then it has an activation screen. I didn't even know I had a screen on this. All right, so we need to unbox this and see what it looks like, because that's pretty cool. All right, so here it is. And whoever thought this wasn't going to be a tech unboxing, we've even got a peel here. Look at that. Ooh, nice little peel. Because this does have a touchscreen on it and everything. Look at that, it's battery operated, not even plugged in. There is a plug right here, but look at that. It has automatic battery operated. So if the power goes out, it's still working. It's got the 2 plugs on top, super easy access. Nothing necessary to put this together. It's already there. All you need to do is plug in these 2, which we're gonna look at the accessories now and see what they include to help you do that. But I am very impressed with how compact and all-in-one this is. Very little setup necessary. That's really cool to see. Okay, so I'm gonna stop glossing over that real quick because I was actually surprised that it turned on. I thought it needed to be plugged in, so that caught me off guard and was really cool. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what else is in there. All right, so this bag is very sus. We'll see what's in there. Sorry. All right, so we've got a nice, ooh, it comes with a faucet so that we can nicely and easy. I didn't know it came with this. I thought that was just an example of a home faucet. It comes with its own faucet so that you can get really clean water, filtered water, and then still use your regular sink for other stuff. That's really cool. And look, it's detailed too. It's got the little Frizzlife on top. I don't know if it's focusing, but that's really, really aesthetic. So that's cool. Let me put this back in here so I don't scratch it. Looks like they also give you the hardware for that, and it's very nice looking stainless steel hardware as well. So you can see right here, even the mount for this is very clean. So it's gonna look really nice on your sink. That's really cool. Of all the things I was unboxing today, the water filtration system is not the one I thought I'd get this excited for, but I'm not mad at it, that's for sure. Let's look at this. All right, so we've got our tubing and everything for the water itself. I'm honestly not quite sure what this tool is. Maybe it's to tighten or turn something. Probably is. It goes around a pipe and then you could tighten it. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, that's pretty cool. Embarrassingly enough, I've never seen one of these, but okay. So you can wrap it around something, like one of these pipes, and then you can turn it. It's an everything wrench. That's pretty cool. We've got another one here. They said free replacement if it breaks. This is to help secure the tubing as well. And we've got all the connectors you're going to need in that little bag and our mounting itself for the larger pipe. Okay, so yeah, not too bad. All we've got are these 2 plugs on top and then one on the right for the actual water system itself. That's where this big hose goes. And that's all you need. Let's go over some tech specs real quick. Water pressure or working pressure is 43.5 to 100 PSI, so quite a lot of power in there. It does have a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. I have no idea what a system like this draws in terms of power, at least not yet. I can connect it later and see what it does under use. But 4,500 milliamp hours is quite a large battery, even larger than a lot of modern phones. Daily production rate is 600 to 900 gallons of filtering, so more than you'll probably ever need at home. Water temperature is 41 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit and runs at 5 volts, 19 milliamps. Never mind, we do have some power usage there, and that is very, very small, so this is gonna last quite some time. Let's take a quick look at the top here. If you do a long press of flush and reset for 4 seconds, it'll activate the screen. So let's go ahead and do that. And there it is. If you touch reset, it'll choose the filter. And you can see we have the 3 different filters here now that it's on and working: PPC, RO, and CMZ. And the filtered water comes out of the left-hand side. The waste comes out of the right-hand side and goes to your drain. So yeah, pretty simple and easy setup here. I'm very, very impressed by what they've offered. I'll make another video in the future of us installing this and showing you the actual ins and outs of getting it set up. But otherwise, I'm stoked. This is available on Amazon. I'll put a link to them in the description below. And as always, hope you have a good one. Peace.